Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make drop down menu in Shopify. So simply just in the online store, just click on navigation. Now here you can see man menu option. Just click here and now wait for a few seconds. Now here click on add menu item and just type the man menu 2 and now here link any product or collection. So simply I have select cell phone here. Now click on add. So now after that just click on add menu item and now here you have to select another one. Just here you can select the product, like I have select clothes, and now after this click on add. So now we will add another one. Just click on products and add MacBook. Now after this just click on add. So now here drag them into man menu one by one. So you can see this is very easy method to make drop down menu. You can add multiple option here. So after that just click on save.